name is Ike Almo, and today I'll be presenting on Replika AI, which is a fairly recent technology that focuses on creating intuitive virtual companions using natural language processing and machine learning. As a quick overview, we're going to be going over what Replika AI is in a bit more detail, the implementation opportunities of this technology, the potential drawbacks of Replika AI and AI in general, the ethical issues related to this sector of technology, and its future outlook. To begin, Replika AI is a company that was founded by Eugenia Koida, and its trademark technology, the replicas, are these virtual AI chatbots that use, firstly, natural language processing and machine learning techniques that give these chatbots a high level of emotional intelligence, which then allows these chatbots an advanced degree of relationship building ability. Many of the users of Replika AI have noted that their replicas are very human-like in their responses and their behaviors due to this high level of emotional intelligence. As for the implementations, Replika AI has many different implementations. For example, customer service as virtual assistants. We already see chatbots used as virtual assistants in customer service, and due to Replika AI's high level of emotional intelligence over the average chatbot, would simply be better at this role than most chatbots currently in use. For sales and marketing analysis and market research and feedback, the AI is able to parse through data far quicker than a human would be able to, and create connections and insights that would take a human far longer, and then give recommendations far more efficiently than humans typically do. And on top of that, it would automate the onboarding and training procedures in most businesses. For some statistics related to business, in the world today, businesses are constantly changing and including more and more AI in their development and operation. Businesses were asked the questions, will AI increase productivity? Will AI improve customer relations? Will AI improve written content? And most businesses answered in the affirmative, meaning that most people expect for AI to have a positive effect on how we do business in the future. For one of our key questions, how do we ethically use Replika AI and other chatbots in an age of increasing loneliness and anxiety? Mental health issues are at an all-time high in the modern day, and given that Replika AI and its descendants, the later iterations of it, will be extremely human-like, almost to be able to replace humans. So is it healthy to be using these sorts of technologies, especially for someone who has chronic loneliness or anxiety? Is something that we need to consider as a society and as individuals. As for privacy concerns, we have to ask, how can we safeguard against individuals unwittingly providing sensitive information and/or the unethical use of customer data gathered by Replika AI and other services like it? For Replika AI's privacy statement, they state that they do not sell information, they monitor conversations, so in order to improve the bot. However, for AIs that come in the future that are even more lifelike and more convincing than Replika AI, the chance for fraud and other nefarious practices shoots straight up. And for companies that have incentives to sell customer data, it becomes even more of a concern. So we have to consider as a society, how we're going to safeguard against this? And as individuals, how are we personally responsible for our own privacy? As for a few ethical issues with AI, the rather infamous case of Tay, which was a chatbot developed by Microsoft in 2016 and sort of left into the wild of the internet. it was shut down within 16 hours because it became so misogynistic and racist and generally vile. Uh, as for Replika AI itself, two Italian journalists probed Replika AI, and to their dismay, they got the AI to recommend violence against other people and even against the journalists themselves as a solution to certain prompts. And as for humans using AI unethically, the insurance app Lemonade faced major backlash for using AI to analyze videos of its customers to find fraudulent claims. So these issues must give us pause and have us understand the role of ethics in the development of AI. For the age distribution of users using Replika AI, the majority are under the age of 35. And this age group is typically the age group where we see many people with mental health issues. These people who are at most risk with Replika AI are the ones who are using it the most. So this is also something that we need to keep an eye on as a society and as individuals as well. As for the future developments of Replika AI and natural language processing in general, within 1 year, we should be able to see improved multilingual capabilities as AI's understanding of human language and the preservation of that meaning between different languages improves. Within 5 years, Replika AI could break into the AR space, which would give a new dimension to the experience of interacting with Replika and them becoming more and more lifelike. And within 10 years, we could see a human level AI, a general AI. And while there is a bit of a saying that general AI is always 10 years away, there's reason to believe that general AI is fairly a close technology. One such reason is the number of startups developing AI systems has shot up tremendously in the past few years. As we can see here from 1995 to 2010, the number of startups developing AI systems has gone up substantially. And so we should see more and more developments in this space more rapidly. Thank you for watching, and if you could scan the QR code for the article if you'd like to read up more on it. Thank you.